Hey, it's Kim here, and I'm going to take you through this 10-minute workout. So, I am a mother of three, and I know that sometimes 10 minutes is all you've got. So, we're going to work the glutes and the quads, get the heart rate up. 10 minutes is what you need. I am going to give you options from start to finish, modifications, variations. So, whether or not you are brand new or whether or not you have been doing this for years, you will feel the burn. And the best part, all you need is a chair or something sturdy to hold on to, a wall, piece of furniture, tabletop, anything. You just need to touch it for balance today. That's all. All right, let's get going. Okay, so first thing we are going to do is start facing your chair. Okay, put your fingertips on it so that you're about an arm's distance away. Zip up the abdominals, raise your right heel, step it back, bend the knees, lunge, hold. Start a little pulse, a little pulse. Let's talk about the form for a second while we're in it. Shoulders are over hips. Hips are square. Left knee is over left heel. Right knee is pulsing down under your right hip. Okay, now, feel the burn here, because I'm already starting to feel it. I hope you are too. Every time you pulse down, I want your energy to lift up. Okay, so think I go down, but I pull myself up. Let's take that back knee now. Pull it in and down. Good. Go up and down. Go in and down. And guess what? I forgot to tell you in the beginning, you're going to get your abs too. Hey, not just glutes, not just quads, but you're going to be getting your abs, testing your balance a bit here. Now, if you're saying, Kim, this is a little too much for me, just go back to that pulse we started with. And then when you feel ready, come back in. And remember, there's no pressure to get low. I talk about form because form is important. Lift and down and lift and down. Can your back knee travel a little lower now that I just told you don't get low? Right? I'm always going to encourage you to get lower, but I'm also always going to encourage you to stay true to your challenge. True to your challenge. Okay, last time, hold it back. Pulse down, pulse down. Check in, how's your posture? Top of your head is up, shoulders are down, abs are zipped. We're going to do something called a rocking lunge, okay? Bend your elbows and kick your back heel to your glute. Ready? Let's begin. Take it in, take it down. Take it in, take it down. Take it in, take it down. Oh yes, heart rate is up. Go in and down. Now, what should you be feeling? I always want you to know what you should be feeling so you don't feel left out and you don't feel alone, because you're not the only one feeling it. I'm totally feeling it too. It should be your left hamstrings, your left glutes, your left quad, and you should feel the right thigh, sure, but we want to feel that right squeeze in the glute. So much is happening. If you're a mom like me, multitasking is your life. Multitasking is everything, right? You've got to cook dinner, you've got to answer toddler questions, and you've got to find time to work out all at the same time. And down. Lift and down. Okay, hold it up, heel to glute, pulse, pulse, pulse. Now, if you're feeling the heat, temptation is going to be to open the hip. Don't do it. Square the hips. Get down in that standing left heel. Flex a foot, squeeze a heel, lift the thigh, pull in the abs. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have a sneak attack, okay? 7, it's 8, it's 9. Here's my sneak attack. Knee goes down, hands go down, left foot is up, bam, there you are. Press, press. We're still working that left side. You're still facing your furniture, your bar, your wall, whatever you got. Zip up the abs, push into the palms, and square your body. If I were to put 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, they straight. Face straight down to the mat. Go press, press. Now the knee is going to touch the ground. Squeeze down, lift up. Squeeze down, lift up. Lower and lift. Oh, here we go. Here we go. My glutes, my glutes, my glutes are on fire. Okay, squeeze the glute, push up, down, lift, hold it up. Press right here. Let's go lift, lift. What was that? Kim, I want more. I got more for you. You can absolutely stay here. Or I hear you. I heard you. Tuck your toe. Stretch. Add a pulse as you lift. Here we go. Take it 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a little micro pulse. 7, 8, 9. Bam. Next challenge. Left foot forward. You can touch your bar. Incline. Back knee pulls in. pull back. Now if you want more again, the arms, pull in and reach, pull in and reach. Still want more? Let's go, pick it up, pull in, back, in, back, in, back, in, back. I'm pulling my arms from my back, getting low for 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ab blast, here we go, tuck the right toe wide second, woo, we're there, we're low. We never came up for air. We only got lower. And we haven't straightened our legs yet. Not once yet, okay? All right, so what is this position? This is wide second. My feet are wider than my hips. My thighs are turned out, okay? My knees track over my second and third toes. My pelvis is neutral. Now hold, reach the arms to the side. Draw the shoulders back. Here we go, little jumping jack, go press, press, press. This is gonna get the heart rate up, and then I've got more for you. Just 8 more seconds, here it is. 1, 2, 3, little deeper, 5, 6, 7, face your chair, face your bar, right down to the mat, 10 push-ups, here we go, body down, 1, and push, 2, and push. If you need to modify, come to the thighs, 4, lift, 5, push, 6, lift, 7, lift, 8, zip up the abdominals, 9, get the chest low, 10, right foot, step it forward, you're at the bar, boom, other side. Hey, wasn't that so convenient? You didn't have to go anywhere. You didn't have to do anything. You just had to step your right foot forward, and now your left foot is back, square the hips, right knee over right heel down to the floor. Oh, I am out of breath. You can feel it. Can you feel it? I absolutely can. Okay, remember your options. This is your home base. If you need to, you stay at this pulse. But from here, we're gonna take the back knee, pull it in, use the abs. In, down, in, and down. Squeeze, get low. Squeeze, and get low. Okay, imagine something just lowered right above your head. We don't wanna hit our head on that ceiling, right? There's a sky. There's no ceiling. We're using our imagination. Here we go, up and down. Go lift and down. The sky is your limit. I don't know. Go lift and down. If you need to, come back to the pulse, that's okay. Lift and down. Hold it down. Pulse it there. Pulse. Ready for the rocking lunge? Are you ready? Absolutely. Now here we go. Squeeze it in and down. In and down. This is the fun part about teaching to the camera. I can make the answers happen. The answer's always yes. Sure, Kim, I can get lower. Sure, Kim, I can work my thighs more. Sure, Kim, I'm feeling this. Kim, I love you. No, that's too much. That's too much. I took it too far. I took it too far. Lean forward and back. Lean forward and back. Feel that standing heel drill. Drill. Hold it forward. Right here, pulse it down, pulse down, pulse down. Okay, get your back leg up. Get your back leg up. Keep your hips square. Pulling the abs nice and tight. We've got 10, 2, 3. Don't look too closely at the camera. I'm shaking. 6, 7, 8, 9. Sneak attack. Put your knee down, hands down. Right heel lifts. Oh boy. Here we go. Right here. Press it up. Go lift. Lift. Think your right heel straight to the ceiling. Navel zips, chest is open, push the mat. Try not to collapse in the shoulders. This is something very typical I see, is we get tired and we start to sit. I want you to pull up, work through the chest, work through the posture, take the back knee, touch the mat, squeeze, lift, squeeze, lift, squeeze, lift. I'm gonna tell you something selfish too. I love this workout because I get my 10 minutes in too. Hey, it's the job that gives me the rewards. Hold it up, press it up, go lift, lift. Okay, I heard you last time. I hear you again, camera. Okay, can you tuck the back toe? You're in that lunge, or you're in that plank. We pulse down 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Squeeze that right heel in, go 7. That's 8. That's 9. Bam. Right foot is forward. Touch the bar. Incline. Back knee pulls in. Back toe tucks back. Go in. And back. Go in. If this is the first time I'm meeting you, nice to meet ya. This woman's crazy. That's it. That's why you're gonna subscribe for more, because I'm just crazy. And back, ready? Pick it up, let's go. Pull in, back, in, back. Notice how my leg is low. Notice how my chest is open. Notice how my abs are cooking. Woo! 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, lower, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wide second again, step your feet wide, hold. This is it, hold before we cool it down. Drop it down, boom, right there. Pelvis under you, navel in, chest open, turn out your thighs. Good, take a deep inhale, lift. Sit a little lower, 5 seconds, 1, 2, then it's over. 3, 4, up we go. All right, way to go. Thank you for joining me for this workout. I'll see you next time. Drink lots of water, cool off those puppies. Okay, all right, bye.